Hey everyone, I've got something awesome to share with you today, so let's jump right in. Check out this sleek, modern design. It's made to impress. And the price? Absolute perfection. You're getting premium quality at a price that's hard to beat. This thing is super versatile too. It's ideal for home, work, or as a thoughtful gift. Practical, stylish, and built to last. Want more details? Check out the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a find like this. See you next time.